I'm Meredith Bell, President of Grow Strong Leaders, also known as GSL. I appreciate your interest in learning more about GSL 360. In this video, you'll find out why our customers say this system is the best 360 feedback system they've ever found, and why some of them have worked with us for more than 20 years. In case you're new to 360 feedback, I'll start with a quick definition. It's an assessment process where someone receives feedback about their performance and behavior from people who have observed them. The input can come from a variety of sources, including their manager, peers, direct reports, and others with firsthand experience seeing the person in action. The goal of this multi-source input is to provide a well-rounded view of strengths and areas for development. GSL 360 is the leader in 360 technology. That's because we've been at this a long time. We've been pioneers in 360 feedback since 1994. Today, we still focus on the same innovations that disrupted the industry 30 years ago. GSL 360 is user-friendly. It's simple and easy for both administrators and participants. It's customizable with the ability to make changes to every aspect of the survey. More on that in a minute. It's economical to scale. Our pricing makes it possible to assess all levels of leaders. Your administrator dashboard is cloud-based, and you'll love the way it's designed for managing multiple 360 surveys at the same time. You can add additional administrators at no extra charge. The interface is intuitive whether you're the administrator or a survey participant. It's all so simple that no certification is required. Our extensive survey library contains several surveys. All the items are behavior-based, meaning respondents are only asked to rate observable behaviors. We have surveys for two key areas that apply to leaders at all levels: communication skills and character skills. You'll also find surveys based on 3 levels of leadership: executives, operational leaders, and individual contributors. To provide greater customization capabilities, you can choose the essential version of a survey and use it off the shelf as is, or you can review the items in the expanded version and select the specific items that match your organization's most critical leadership behaviors. GSL 360 is built for customization. In addition to being able to choose only a select number of questions from our survey library, you also have the option of using none of our questions and adding your own set of competencies instead. You can customize scales in 2 ways. First, you can choose from 3 types of scales: agreement, satisfaction, and frequency. The second way is to choose the number of points you want on the scale. We offer 5, 6, and 10 points. The most common among our customers is a 5-point agreement scale. Quantitative ratings that provide a score is just one aspect of feedback. Qualitative input in the form of comments is also essential, and GSL 360 makes it a snap to gather this kind of feedback. You can include comment prompts after each item, for example, please explain the reason for your rating. You can also add open-ended questions at the end of a competency area and at the end of the survey. You have complete control over the rater relationship types. Most 360s limit you to 3 types of raters: manager, peer, and direct report. With GSL 360, you can customize descriptions to fit your organization's terminology, such as associate or team member. Too often in 360s, raters are asked to rate behaviors they haven't personally observed. For example, peers may be asked to rate a colleague on the skill of delegating. With our system, you can assign specific questions to certain groups of raters, so peers would never see the questions about delegation. You also have lots of flexibility when you're ready to create the reports. Each aspect of the report is straightforward, and we make it easy for feedback recipients to identify strengths and opportunities for growth. You can select only the report sections you want to include. You also control the data that gets displayed within each section. We have extensive recommended actions and resources for every item in our library, and you can edit these too. More about that in a minute. Another feature our customers love is the ability to include additional pages at the beginning and at the end of the report. For example, creating your own custom cover or a letter from the CEO to the participants. Every item in the survey library comes with a set of performance improvement tips for the lowest rated items. There are 4 parts to this section. First is a brief description of the behavior or skill. An explanation of what lower ratings may mean follows, and next is a detailed list of suggested follow-up actions, giving the person options for making positive changes. And finally, we include recommended books and podcasts that are valuable for developing the skill. And you can easily edit the text to add your own tips and resources. GSL 360 is a complete feedback system with resources for everyone involved. For the administrator setting up the surveys, we have extensive online help for every step and outstanding technical support when they have questions. We have a guide for the facilitator who will manage the 360 process, with suggestions for preparing participants and delivering report debriefs either one-on-one or in a group. And for participants, there's a short video about the 360 process with separate videos for feedback recipients, raters, and coaches. You'll love working with our friendly, responsive support wizard, who is a real person, not AI. You can schedule a personalized onboarding call to help you launch your first survey with ease. And you'll receive ongoing support at no charge through email, phone, or Zoom.